We're going to lance this abscess with a new disinfected razor and on the lower portion of the swelling so that it can drain better as it stays open for a few days. The good news is that the pus is runny and thin, which means it's not CL, but we will still keep her quarantined from other animals to prevent the risk of spreading any diseases. Unfortunately, this doe is 3 weeks away from kidding, so I'm trying to minimize the stress and be as gentle as possible with her. Continue to massage the abscess until no more pus comes out. Now I flush the site with a 50% mixture of iodine. This is done by removing the needle from the syringe and putting the syringe inside of the cavity and filling it full of the iodine mixture. After each syringe of iodine, I allow the doe to relax a minute. Next, we're going to squeeze the iodine mixture and drain some more of the pus out. To prevent more contamination, I cover the incision with a paper towel and collect the fluids in it. You should repeat the process several times of filling it with iodine and allowing the animal to rest. Another advantage of covering the incision with a paper towel is to collect the fluids for observation. You're finished with the process when the fluid is only iodine and there is no more pus coming from the abscess. The incision is left open so that it can drain, and you may need to repeat this process for several days. Another tip that I suggest is placing puppy pads below the stand and around the animal to collect any of the discharge that you may not be collecting in a paper towel. This doe already looks more comfortable and happy. Follow up with your vet about a recommendation for antibiotics.